Traver IDC actually started as Traver Electric Motor Company back in 1938 right in the middle of the Depression. My grandfather, for who knows why, decided that it was a great time to start a new company.
Like a lot of the technical people that made Waterbury famous, he started out in Scoville's as a factory worker, repairing and rewinding motors, and then in 1938 he decided to go out on his own. The company has started and developed and endured based on one of the facts that could really zero in on it. Waterbury was the brass center of the world. The three biggest brass mills in the world were here in Waterbury. So our basic customer base was the manufacturing sector of Connecticut.
One of my first memories is as a kid coming in and my dad handing me a paintbrush and having me, go around and paint different areas in the shop, and that was probably one of the first jobs that I had.
One of the memories I treasure the most was between the ages of 14 and 16. I actually learned how to repair motors from my grandfather before he passed away when I was 16.
And one of the things that I really enjoyed summers in between my years in high school and in college was working with my Uncle Tom. And he was the general manager at the time, so I worked out in the storefront primarily waiting on customers, and he was very patient and kind.
Working with the family aspect of it is a little difficult for me to quantify that because I've never done anything else. So I have three older brothers who've all been involved in the business and since retired, and my father and cousins and uncles and now my children and now their children. So I don't have any problem with it. I don't remember having an argument with any family member. So either it's a cool family or else I don't argue. I'm not sure which it is.
It's so exciting to have three generations right now working together in the building, and I think it's really unique in a way to be able to have my grandfather, my dad, and myself here to be able to experience work together.
The customers really enjoy working with Traver IDC. I think that it's nice that it's a family business, that the heritage, the history of the generations.
To have a family business that now has the fourth generation involved is a really incredible feat.
I try to have everybody that works here be part of the Traver IDC family.
The family atmosphere at Traver IDC is what I like best about the company.
Just having that one-on-one relationship with, the owners of the company, is something that I wouldn't want to change.
You get to see them every day, you pretty much know where they stand, you know where the company stands.
Giving when it came to learning. He would teach you as much as he knew in the best way he knew.
We all succeed, not one person succeeds, the whole company succeeds.
Travers are always up on new upcoming things like energy conservation and infrared scanning and stuff like that.
This is my first time working for somebody in a very long time, and it's been fabulous. So
it's afforded a lot of us the opportunity to make a good living and to advance our careers here, and without joking aside, it's much, much appreciated.
Working for a family business is fun because I work for a good family. So they're all good people, very smart, they know their business, and they're nice people. So
these people are just good people.